There need to be reasons to get up in the morning. You know, life can't just be about solving problems. Otherwise, what's the point? There's got to be things that people find inspiring and make life worth living.
SpaceX has announced an ambitious plan to send an unmanned capsule to Mars, bringing the company's CEO, Elon Musk, one step closer to his dream of colonizing the Red Planet.
This morning, the demand for Tesla's new Model 3, its most anticipated electric car yet, surprising even the company's CEO, Elon Musk.
So his plan is simple. He is going to start digging holes in the ground and turn those holes into a vast network of underground tunnels that will change transportation forever.
I think I feel fear quite strongly. So it's not as though I just have the absence of fear. I feel it quite strongly. But there are just times when something is important enough, you believe in it enough, that you do it in spite of the fear. Like, people shouldn't think, oh, I feel fear about this and therefore I shouldn't do it. It's normal to feel fear. When starting SpaceX, I thought the odds of success were less than 10%. But that maybe we would make some progress if we could just move the ball forward. Even if we died, maybe some other company could pick up the baton and keep moving it forward, so that would still do some good. Same with Tesla. I thought the odds of a car company succeeding were extremely low. In the long term, what we'd like to do is to establish a city on Mars and help make humanity a multi-planet species and a true spacefaring civilization.
Some, of course, would say this is far-fetched to go to Mars and be able to build a colony on this red star.
I'm not saying we will do it, I'm just saying we're going to try.
There is tremendous pressure on you. Many want you to fail, many want you to succeed. How do you feel about that?
It is a lot of pressure, it is tough to take sometimes, I have to say. It is not an easy thing. We're going to keep going, and however long it takes, we'll get it right. So it's important to appreciate things may not work on the first flight, but they will work later, and we'll get there.
You could have bought an island
Yes.
and just you could have sipped cocktails for the rest of your life. Why did you want to take the risks involved in these businesses that you've gone into?
Well, I have to say, at times I've wondered, if it was really the right choice, but it has actually been a very difficult journey, I have to say.
Yeah.
But I think there are certain important things that we must do in order for the future to be good.